Hey guys and girls, welcome to Learn Dutch Through English lesson series by Ifactner.com. In this lesson, we are going to learn what do we call different fruits in Dutch. Fruits are called vruchten in Dutch. V-R-O-C-H, vrucht, T-E-N, vruchten, vruchten, vruchten. Let's start our lesson. Apple, apple, A-P-P-A-L, apple, apple, apple. Apricot, abricos, A-B-R-E-K-O-O-S, abricos, abricos, abricos. Avocado is called avocado. A-V-O-C-A-D-O. Avocado, avocado, avocado. Banana, banan. B-A-N-A-A-N, banan, banan, banan. Blackberry, brambes, brambes. B-R-A-M, bram, B-A-S, brambes, brambes, brambes. Blueberry, bosbes, B-O-S, B-A-S, bosbes, bosbes, bosbes. Cantaloupe is called Cantaloupe. K-A-N-T-A-L, Cantal, O-A-P-A, Cantaloupe, Cantaloupe, Cantaloupe. Cherry, curse, K-A-R-S, curse, curse, curse. Coconut is called kokosnoot, kokosnoot. K-O-K-O, coco, S-N-O-O-T, kokosnoot, kokosnoot. Fig, fig, F-E-Y-H, fig, fig, fig. Grapes are called druiven, druiven. D-R-U-E-V-A-N, druiven, druiven, druiven. Grapefruit, grapefruit. G-R-A-P-E, grape, F-R-U-E-T, grapefruit, 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 grapefruit. Guava is called guava, G-U-A-V-A, guava, guava, guava. Kiwi fruit is called kiwi, K-E-V-E, kiwi, kiwi, kiwi. Lemon is called citron, C-E-T-R-O-A-N, citron, citron, citron. Mango is called mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango, mango, mango. Nectarine is called nectarine, N-A-C-T-A-R-I-N-E, nectarine, nectarine, nectarine. Orange is called oranje, O Oranje, 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 oranje. Orange is the official Dutch color. Papaya is called papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya, papaya, papaya. Passion fruit is called Passifrucht. P-A-S-S-E-A, passe, F-R-U-C-H, Frucht. Frucht is fruit and passe is passion. Passifrucht, passion fruit. Usually in Dutch we combine different words, but they are pronounced differently, so it's Passifrucht. So you have to know which word ends where and which word starts where. So it's Passifrucht. It's not Passivrucht, it's Passifrucht. Peach is Perzek. P-A-R, per, Z-E-K, zek, Perzek, Perzek, Perzek. Pear is pear. P-A-A-R, pear. Pear, pear, pear. Pineapple, ananas. A-N-A-N-A-S, ananas, ananas, ananas. Plum is prom. P-R-U-E-M, prom, prom, prom. Pomegranate is called granat apple, granat apple. G-R-A-N-A-A-T, granat, A-P-P-A-L, apple, granat apple, granat apple, granat apple. Raspberry is called framboos. F-R-A-M, from, B-O-O-S, boss, framboos, framboos, framboos. Strawberry is called ardbei, ardbei, A-R-D, ard, B-A-E-B, ardbei, ardbei, ardbei. Tangerine is called mandarin, mandarin, M-A-N, man, D-A-R-E-A-N, mandarin. I-N-G-R pronounced as Y, mandarin in Dutch, mandarin. Watermelon, water, it's watermelon, watermelon. W-A-T-A-R, water, M-A-L-O-E-N, melon, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. So this was our lesson about fruits in Dutch. As a practice session, please watch this video again and repeat after me. And if you would like to download the PDF of this file and do some more exercises, then please visit us on ifactner.com. If you like this video, then please thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Dag, doei.